Hello everyone! Today we are going on Old MacDonald's farm. Wow, this is so much fun! Let's go in a tractor. And today we are going to do some farm animal poses. Let's go in our tractor. Oops! We have reached Old MacDonald's farm. I can see a farmhouse. Wow! Are you ready for a farmhouse pose? Let's go! On the Old MacDonald farm, I can see a cow. So let's do the cow pose. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The next animal we are going to meet on Old MacDonald farm are the chicks. So let's sit like this, one arm like this and the other like this, and we go chick chick, chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there. Here chick, there chick, everywhere chick chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The next animal we are going to meet on Old MacDonald farm is a horse. So let's make a horse pose. And we go click clock, click clock, click clock. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Without disturbing the animals, let's walk through the farm. Oh, there is a muddy puddle. Let's go. Squish, squish, squish. Oh, I can see some pigs. Let's do the pig pose. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now it's time to go back home. Bye-bye.